Greetings guys, gals, buddies, pals. I'm the one they refer to as Dezi Perado. Today what I wanted to do was I wanted to make a beat with that specific chord progression I had a video for called the 1637. If you know what this is, that's great. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check that video out. Kind of teaches you a cool chord progression you could do real easy. I'm also going to use Scalar too for this beat, which is a plugin that you can use for when it comes to making chords. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Also, if you're into this kind of thing, before I forget, make sure you like, subscribe, notification bell. Yeah. The first thing I wanted to do was actually bring some sounds in. Or you know what? Let's actually set the BPMs first. I'm going to go to 85. Let me delete these tracks. Let's turn the quantize to 116. Make a few more of these. And then turn the metronome on. Now what I'm going to do is, for instrument 1, I'm going to actually pick Scalar 2, just for my chords. That's Scalar, so let me just rename that here. Then I'm going to pick another instrument here. This is going to be Octane. For Octane, this is like a bunch of VTS sounds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through this and find a sound that I like, that I want to do these chords with. So let me start there. That'd be a good place to start here. So I think I'm gonna go with this digital choir pad. I took the delay off, so it kind of sounds like this kind of stuff. I'm gonna use that for the chords. I made another copy of the same instrument. I think for like a melody, I want to do some kind of bells. Let me just see what kind of bells we have here. Music box. I'm gonna take the delay off some. Now I'm going to go to Scalar, and I'm going to actually find that 1637 progression. So let's go to songs. I know they have this in the K-pop. I think K-pop 1 maybe? Let me see. Let's actually transpose this. Let's try B flat. 1 6 5 6 7 6 3, then the 7 5 6 7 7 right here. So there we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna MIDI capture. I actually got my launch pad down here on the camera, and I programmed it so all the chords are like this, right? Word. So let's record that. MIDI capture. Make this bigger. Okay. 3. Let me stop this, and then we can just drag the MIDI to this tool right here. And let's take a listen. Actually, let's bring it down to the Octane. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I think I want to actually transpose this like 12 keys up, like a whole octave, just to make it sound, because this is how it sounds right now, right? I feel like it's kind of deep. So let's transpose this plus 12. Yes, this is where I want it to go. Perfect. Now we can work on a melody. Let me see. 2. That sounds nice. So I was digging through some sounds in this plugin called Octave, and I found this kind of sound. I think I want to put this in there as well. Let me just mess around with this a little bit though. Low pass, little vinyl, little reverb. Okay, so maybe we can do something like. Okay, I don't know what we could do. All right. Dun-dun. I just wanted to add one more melody, and I went and found a mallet, you know, our good friend Marimba here. Bring him in here. Okay, let me just take that little thing out right there. I also added little pictures and changed the names to everything. And I took out scalar because we don't need it anymore. Let's add a bass. I think I want to do a legacy bass. This was one of my favorite ones. Let's see if it works in this kind of thing though. This was from Legacy Logic bass. Synth bass. Is it basement? Let's take a look. Now, should we go there or should we take it an octave lower? Let's listen. Too low. We'll do it there. Okay, cool. 3. I'm actually gonna take some of this high end off because I don't want this. Okay, so here's a quick tip. If you did your beat inside the step sequencer, like I did here with the hi-hats, right, you can convert this to make it look like this. right? So what you can do is you click on it, right click, go to convert to MIDI region, boom, just like that. To take this one step further, you can actually right click on this, go again to MIDI, and hit separate by patch note. And when you open it up, now you'll see it actually separates both sections. That's one, right? That's the second part. So now what I'll do is I'll actually pan these out. Maybe this one to the left, this one to the right. Okay. And then another thing I'll do is, let me solo this. I edit, select all, bring these up a few. Around there. You do the same thing with this. Edit, select all, bring these up. I just discovered that the microphone was unplugged. That's why the last few minutes sounded all weird like that. It was actually recording from the screen of the computer. Sorry about that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just format this beat out and also mix it. That way it sounds okay. So I'm going to go do that. I'll be right back, and then we'll check out the finished beat.